Good morning, children. I am Dr. Kajal Mishra, a physiotherapist. Hello, children. A very warm hug and wishes for all of you. So, do you know why we doctors are here today? Yes, I know. You all are super genius. It's a doctor's day. So today you will come across important information regarding how doctors of different specialities help to fight with corona and the associated health problems. Children, you all are not able to go out to play, right? And for other outdoor activities. So don't worry now. So being as a physiotherapist, I will share some information and methods that how you can keep yourself more energetic, strong and healthy. Remember always, be mentally and physically strong to challenge and fight with virus corona with 3-letter SMS. What is SMS now? Social distancing, mask and hand sanitizations. So children, promise yourselves today, not only on a doctor's day occasion, but for each moment that you will be taking care of yourself, your family members and everybody, and practice these 3 important letters. So bye bye, stay blessed and have a safe life. Thank you.
Hello kids, myself Dr. Vikas. Today I am going to give you a few healthy tips. First one is brush twice daily, once in morning and once in night. Wash your hands always before having meals. Eat healthy food. Avoid junk food. That's exercise daily. Drink plenty of water in summer. Always wear mask to keep coronavirus away. Stay healthy, stay fit, stay happy. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Dr. Kamal Yadav. I am liver transplant surgeon in Vedanta and she is my daughter Mihira Yadav.
Hello.
Kids are like kachi mitti, they are very raw, we need to shape them up. And for that we need a healthy and conducive environment. Second thing, the main thing is diet and dietary habits. Avoid junk foods. We can't totally say no, we need to avoid it. I strongly recommend everyone to go for seasonal fruits and vegetables. Other thing I would say, don't go for any supplements like multivitamins or anything without any doctor's prescription.
Always visit to doctor every 6 months for oral checkup to avoid oral diseases. Use protein-rich diet, green vegetables, citrus fruit, water intake also should be given in daily routine.
Hi, hello my dear students, myself Dr. Gunjan Bhardwaj. As you all know, 1st July is celebrated as Doctor's Day. So I am here to tell you about healthy lifestyle. As you all must have heard about corona. So corona is a viral infection. Okay, the only thing which saves us from this viral infection is our immunity. So how to build up our immunity? We can build up our immunity by imbibing a healthy lifestyle. So what is a healthy lifestyle comprises of? I am here to talk about it. So my dear kiddos, healthy lifestyle comprises of healthy eating. So healthy eating is eating green leafy vegetables, fruits, nuts and staying away from junk. So saying no to pizzas, burgers, french fries, sandwiches.
Hello kids, I am Dr. Charu. I am a dentist. Hope you all are safe and healthy. Kids, as you know, teeth play an important role in our lives. When we smile, talk or eat, we use our teeth. Teeth help us to chew our food properly and helps in digestion too. We should eat high fibrous and healthy food. Stay away from sugary drinks, sweets and candy.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Chandan Hazarika. I am working as a senior microbiologist at SRL Reference Lab, Gurgaon. In our laboratory, we perform multiple tests with a variety of samples like blood, urine, sputum, etc. As a laboratory physician, my primary responsibility is to help the clinician in the diagnosis of various diseases. Like right now, we are going through the corona pandemic. Coronavirus has affected the entire world, and it is really very important to identify the infection at an early stage so as to give proper treatment and care to the patient. In our laboratory, we perform a specialized test called RT-PCR on patient sample to find out whether the patient is infected with coronavirus or not. Based on our report, the treating physician decides the further course of treatment. As a doctor, I would suggest everyone to take all the necessary precautions like wearing a mask, maintaining hand hygiene and social distancing so that we don't get infected with the coronavirus. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Hello everyone, myself Dr. Mohit Gupta. I am father of Namesh Gupta, your friend. I am a dentist. You have to brush your teeth 2 times daily, once in morning, once at night before bed. Okay, so come here. I will show you how to brush your teeth. This is a model, tooth model, and this is a brush. Start brushing take your toothpaste just the size of peanut. Okay, and start doing brush. Take your brush and start moving on your teeth round and round, round and round. Don't do it like this. Don't do it like this. Never. Just start brushing your teeth like this. Round and round and round and round, round and round, round and round. Open your mouth. Start brushing on this surface. Okay. Start on this surface. Close your mouth, rinse it properly, and no cavity will catch your teeth. Okay.
Hello kids, myself Dr. Manju, an Ayurvedic doctor, want to tell you some very important tips which must be included in your lifestyle. As we all know that you all are at home for a long time, so you should avoid overeating, excess watching of TV, computer games, and most importantly, you should get up early in the morning. Eat healthy. Include dry fruits, seasonal fruits, and fresh vegetables in your diet. Strictly avoid junk food and refrigerated food.
I am Dr. Manjeet Tamar, a general surgeon, and I am working as assistant professor in SGT Medical College, Gurugram. On the occasion of National Doctors' Day, I wish you all a healthy life. Today, when all the world is struggling against the corona pandemic, doctors are putting themselves at risk when they see a patient with these symptoms. At this time, the most unsafe person in the world are doctors.
Hello children, I am Dr. Smita. Hope you all are doing well. On the occasion of Doctor's Day, I would like to share some points about health and hygiene. Maintaining good personal hygiene is important to prevent illness and infections. So you should follow these practices to lead a good healthy life.